it is my pleasure to share my experience with regard to the opportunity given to me by the Global CEO magazine with regard to the first-hand on-site visit to Toyota Lanka. And I think I was being able to get my first-hand information and experience about the global best practices that has been implemented by Toyota Lanka, as well as it's a kind of a experience which I can share with my team as well as my organization, so that the value that we will create to our customers as well as stakeholders will be improved. So once again, thank you very much to the Global CEO team as well as the Toyota Lanka team for providing this opportunity, and definitely this will be a value addition to myself as well as my organization. Thank you.
Global CEO Magazine. Global CEO Magazine, inspiring excellence.